12 long-form blog content ideas you can use and publish on your website or on your client's blog in the next 12 months. One idea per month. Or if you want to be more proactive and leverage content marketing and blogging for your business, why not publish one post a week, and then you can expand on different keywords and topics and subtopics depending on your industry or niche. Overall, this helps you skyrocket your rankings, traffic, and leads. So let's jump into the table of contents, and I'm about to profile the last idea, which is the 12th idea, which is statistics type of blog post. Statistic type of blog post. Unfortunately, most bloggers and content teams are rarely writing this type of blog post because it requires intensive, in-depth research, and at the same time, it requires you conduct surveys and polls through direct outreach. That's why it's so time intensive and time consuming. There are 3 mistakes I want you to avoid when creating this post. If your content marketing strategy and blogging for business vision wants to make use of this idea, you have to avoid forgetting to update the post with the latest findings and additions. Meaning, if last year you created this type of post, this year you want to update it. Otherwise, your clients and potential customers will think that you are not that active on your blog, or your website was not updated. And if you have if you're an agency, for example, which makes content marketing and blogging the key element or the key strategy amongst their efforts, it wouldn't be looking good for you not to update this type of posts. Another major mistake I want you to avoid is not sharing expert sources. Meaning, whenever I have seen this type of statistic blog post and some of the referred examples are non-expert sources, you want to think about it again. Why profile amateurish websites or statistics? Go with the expert sources and authorities. The third mistake to avoid with statistics type of blog post is not using graphics. Yes, most bloggers and companies and brands who blog actually are not using graphics to their full potential. Either they are using those how they are called, those stock photos, those graphics with cats or computers or offices or gadgets, which doesn't provide much value to the user, to the visitors. I am a big fan of using instead third-party charts, illustrations, quotes, etc. So let's share with you an example by Hubspot. The ultimate list of marketing statistics for 2021. If you click on this image here, you'll be able to visit the official post for this blog. And here, if you click on this image, you will see a quick glance at Ahrefs results, meaning overall backlinks, unique referring domains for this post alone, organic keywords, ranked in Google and other search engines, and organic traffic, plus the traffic value in terms of pay-per-click cost. Let's inspect a bit the on-page factors for this post. As we can see, they not only use text and inner links, okay, that go to other pages on their website, but they also use graphics, and graphics with statistics, with data, with numbers. If you click on Save Image As, you will see that this graphic doesn't include any keywords as their file name. Unfortunately, that's bad, and looks like with this post, HubSpot is not leveraging image SEO. Let me check one or two more example. Yes, so that's the case. Unfortunately, for this post, not sure about other posts, but for this post alone, HubSpot is not fully leveraging their on-page SEO factors. And I also noticed they are not linking to other pages on their website. They are only linking to the same page, which is another HubSpot report or study type of post, which is actually a landing page. So HubSpot post, unfortunately, they are not fully leveraging these two key on-page SEO factors, meaning inner page linking and image SEO, even though they still get a ton of referring domains, a ton of organic keywords, yet they get so little traffic, meaning just 4,000 monthly estimated visitors. I assume this is an Ahrefs glitch, because with this volume of keywords and so many referring domain names, I doubt they only get 4,000 results. Usually Ahrefs shares some inaccurate statistics sometimes. So let's see how this post compares in terms of backlinks and traffic with other examples. We have this example from Nextiva website on customer service statistics. We have one from Backlinko about Instagram demographic statistics. We have another from Backlinko from about Zoom user stats, and another one from Content by Pick about business to business content marketing statistics. So just out of curiosity and for the sake of this video presentation, let's compare the results, although there are different industries, different niches. Okay, so in the business to business content marketing industry, let's add this link. Let's use Backlinko for Zoom users and for Instagram. So we have the social media industry, the video industry, the Zoom, and then we have customer service industry. Okay, so let's see which post gets the most backlinks and referring domains names. Notice HubSpot post. Okay, so it's 67,000 versus 15,000 unique referring domains. Content by Pick, which is this post, okay, gets only 3 referring domain names. Notice the Ahrefs rank. Looks like this website is either too recent or is not very popular. I doubt is not popular because of its recency. So it's a relatively new website. It's not something which you can compare with HubSpot. HubSpot has been here for more than a decade, I guess. The same goes for Backlinko. And Nextiva, I'm not sure, but look at their Ahrefs rank. Look at Backlinko Ahrefs rank. And this is insane. You cannot directly compare backlinks and draw a firm conclusion, because backlinks is just one aspect. Plus, there are different niches within the general business industry, I would say. And so here, let's forget about this website for now, about this blog post, because they're a brand new brand new content provider and a brand new website, Content by Pick. Okay, just out of curiosity, let's see when they have registered their domain name. Okay, so just as my intuition assumed, Content by Pick, as shown by whois.com, was registered in 28 June 2020. I'm recording this in October, so it's a very, very new domain name. It's only like 4 months. What about my own domain name? I registered mine in 2016. 2006. Okay, so that's like 15 years ago. What about HubSpot in 2005? So HubSpot is about 1 year older than my domain name. What about Backlinko? 2011. So it's a decade since Brian at Backlinko has registered their domain name. It doesn't mean that they necessarily started to publish content on that. Who is only shows when the first time the domain name was registered. Nextiva, incredible. This domain name was registered in 2001. I wonder if it's Tukaus domain for the same company, or it's a different one, because Tukaus is a software related company which was still available back when I started online in 2000 or so. So you have to understand that domain age is also an important factor when it comes to SEO. But if you are targeting those long tail keywords with the low competitive in terms of difficulty, you'll be able to rank for those less competitive keywords within weeks, if not days, with a brand new domain name, as I've seen other bloggers and brands do. However, here we are covering long-form blog post content ideas for long-term effect. And the best websites which I'm profiling here are usually websites and companies which are aged. They are at least 5 or 10 years old when it comes to their domain name and website. What I like about Pick Post is that they have a table of content with jump links. They use images, lots of them, obviously, because that's a statistics type of post. Okay, it's a very, very well written content. Now let's compare number of referring domains for these other posts. The Zoom post got this many referring domains compared with the Instagram users, but notice the amount of traffic. This post gets more than 7,000 monthly estimate traffic, while this one gets just a few hundred visitors, like close to 300 visitors. Still, I guess this is a glitch when it comes to the way Ahrefs display results for this post in particular. Compared with Nextiva, they get double the number of unique reference domains compared with these two blog posts by Backlinko, and HubSpot beats all of these other examples in terms of reference domains, organic keywords, organic traffic. Organic traffic, as shown by Ahrefs here, it's a bit less than what Nextiva is getting, I guess. Yeah, still this is a glitch. What I've noticed is that with the last two blog post ideas, at least the examples which I have profiled here in this section with blue, for whatever the reasons, the organic traffic numbers are a bit wild. They are not reflecting the reality, because these posts, all of these posts get hundreds of referring domains, unique referring domains, and they are ranking for hundreds and thousands of organic keywords. Take a look at this one, and this one. Okay, so that's why it's a bit absurd to see or receive so little traffic. Okay, that's it for this post idea. Replicate the techniques and strategies shared herein for your blog, for your client's website.